Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5625. The shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has 2 small dents, bonnet has hail damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 4 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has hail damage on the top of it. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 4 small dents, right front door has 2 small dents, right guard has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.